What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you make your plastics look like this. Look like that. I posted a video one time about detailing the engine bay in my Camry at my job, and somebody commented what they use. So I decided to give it a shot, and man, it works great. So you'll be surprised what this thing right here can do. Spray it on there like that. And just rub it in. Rub it around. Now you can apply this stuff to all the plastics underneath your hood, and it'll leave it just looking really nice and shiny. And as you can see, it looks pretty damn good compared to how it was before. Pretty sure you could probably apply a coat of tire shine just to make it look even glossier for the finish, but for now this will do. It's ready to be driven so it can get smogged and be on the road. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This project is done.